crowded, but what do you expect? Two of each animal, of course it's going to be a bit snug. Prairie dogs, cut it out. You're not in Kansas anymore, remember? Hey, you're in Arkansas. Get it? Ark. Oh, shut up, crickets, it was funny. All right. 437 species down. 1,526,321 to go. Terrific. Next. Oh, good. Sheep. That's an easy one. All right, names?
I'm Barbara.
Barbara. Oh, hey, as in Barbara? Huh?
Yeah, right.
And what's your name? Benjamin?
My name is William.
All right. William. Oh, hey, wait. William or William? Get it? Wool. Yeah?
Can we just get on the ark, please?
Yeah, right this way.
Billy? Oh, Billy, wait!
Hi, Sally. What are you doing here?
Who is this? Billy, who is this?
Uh-oh, awkward. Wait. Awkward.
I'm his mate. Who are you? I'm his mate. Who are you? No, who are you? No, who are you?
We get it. You're both yous.
Shut up, Noah.
All right. Oh, wait. I thought of another name for him. Ramsey. Get it? Ram. Male sheep. Huh?
We get it.
All right.
So wait a minute, William. You've been cheating on me?
Wait. Cheating or bleating? Bleat. I drive a sheep. Huh?
You never told me you had a girlfriend. William, I can't believe this. You and I are over. For good. Do you hear me? Over. Do you hear me? Over.
Okay, all right. Calm down. He heard you. Huh?
You son of a bitch. How many other kids have you kept in from me?
I swear!
Oh, come on, Ramsey. Don't be sheepish. Hey. The girls must flock to you.
The real question is, how many other sheep has he got pregnant?
Hey, wow. You're pregnant? Congratulations. Hey. Don't forget to get the birth certificate laminated.
So now what, Will? You can't take both of us on the ark with you. You're going to have to choose. Yeah, who's it going to be, Willie?
Oh, jeez, well, I don't know. Hey, no, help me out here.
Whoa, Ramsey, what do I look like, a shepherd?
Come on, Noah.
All right. Okay, well, Sally, technically you're not allowed to get on the ark because we only have enough food for 2 of each animal. And, well, you're eating for 2, so...
What? That's crazy.
I know, it's lunacy. Sheer lunacy. Sheer? No, but seriously, Sally, get out of here.
Right?
All right, you two, hop on. You gonna be okay, Sally?
Yeah, I guess.
Good. Well, you're not actually going to be okay. What with the impending flood?
Yeah. Well, bye.
Yep, I'll see you. Hey, take it easy, huh? Oh, hey, wait, Sally, come back.
Yeah?
Did you hear God added an eighth deadly sin? Yeah, it's right after gluttony, but it's called muttony. Mutton. Sheep meat.
I hate you, Noah.
Jesus Christ, this job is depressing.